today I'll be demonstrating a preterm baby who is 13 days old. Baby was delivered by LSES, was a inborn baby, and we had to give surfactant after birth, but it was by Ensure technique. So we had removed the tube and baby was in bubble CPAP, and then the oxygen was also off. So on 13 days, suddenly baby developed respiratory distress. We started with CPAP and I thought of doing echo and lung ultrasound. So as the baby was anterior, like supine position, so I first tried to scan the anterior lung and look at this view. I have just captured on the right anterior area. I can see that the pleural line is coarse, irregular. There is a B profile, and if this lower area of the anterior part, this is the R2, this is having A profile. So this is more of AB profile, which is also called as double lung point. And there are confluent B lines, and this is the shred sign. As it is not very big, you can also call it as C lines, or this profile you can call it as C profile, right? This is an irregular margin between the aerated and the non-aerated lungs. So this is a C profile. This is again right anterior region which I had scanned. This, look at this, this is a huge shred sign. What shred sign means? One point is that the pleural line is not well established. Second point is that it looks like a torn paper, right? And you can see the air bronchograms here, which are white hyperechoic patches, and this is A profile. So this is again a double lung point, which this means that double lung point is not very specific for TTNB, can be seen in a case of pneumonia also, and this area is a B profile. So overall you can call it as AB profile, or this is also a C profile with the absent pleural line. So you can even call it as B prime profile. So I showed you two pictures, two videos which were of the anterior region of this baby. So then I made the baby in prone position. I waited for 60 minutes, and now I am doing a scan of the posterior region. So first I'll be doing on the right side a posterior region, which is also called as R5, R6. So look at this, is again a linear probe with the frequency 6 to 13. I have cleaned it and then put a gel, and look at this baby. Baby is on CPAP, and I have put the baby in prone position. So this is a right side. This is a probe marker towards the head of the baby, and I am keeping the probe on the R5 and see what picture we get. Okay, so here the pleural line is not established and there are several air bronchograms, right? And in few areas you can see the shred sign. In other areas you can see static air bronchograms which have a regular margin also. To me this is more of a atelectasis with the pneumonia, and this baby has a B profile. Now I am keeping the probe in the R6, right? I have kept the probe in R6, and look at the picture. There's again no pleural line established. This area to me is more like a atelectasis, and this is the shred sign, and this baby has a B profile. So this baby has coexisting atelectasis and pneumonia. So what we have seen on the right side, in R5 also we have pneumonia atelectasis, in R6 also we have pneumonia and atelectasis. What kind of pneumonia this is? This is a lobar consolidation. What I had told you regarding lobar, it involves the whole of the lobe. So to me, the whole of the right side is pneumonic. So we will name it as lobar consolidation. I am keeping the probe on the left R5, R6, right? Look at this. So look at the picture. Again there is no pleural line. Pleural line is not seen, it is not established, and this whole area are L5 and L6 is atelectasis, and even there is shred sign, there are air bronchograms, and more of a static kind of bronchograms. Even we have linear, look at these horizontal lines, these are linear bronchograms, and this is a B profile. What you have to be very particular is that the probe should be exactly perpendicular to the chest wall. It should not be tilted or swept. It should be exactly perpendicular. This is called as longitudinal scan. Now we will be doing transverse scan. If you have a pneumonia, it is better to do a transverse scan and do in fact a comprehensive scan. Comprehensive means you can you can do scans in all the 12 regions. So I just thought of doing a transverse scan so that I don't miss any of the lobes, but anyways in this baby like both the lungs are consolidated. So this is a probe, linear probe. I keep it on the left side horizontally. See how you get the picture. This is a horizontal scan. You have a few dynamic air bronchograms. This is a shred sign. This is a B profile. We will do a transverse scan on the right side. This is a transverse scan. I have kept the probe horizontally on the right side in the posterior region, and look here. There are few dynamic air bronchograms. If you can appreciate, the snowflakes are like bronchograms, air bronchograms are moving in and out. So these are dynamic air bronchograms.